In the recently concluded 54th All Manipur Short Play Competition 2025, jointly organized by Theatre Center Manipur and Manipur State Kala Academy, Sktv's anchor and Margin Call Cultural Cum Drama Association artist Kundrakpam Sanatombi Sanamangang clinched Best Director and 2 other awards. In the short play competition that was held at Manipur Dramatic Union between December 6 and 12 at Yai School Police Lane, Kundrakpam Sanatombi Sanamangang was awarded Best Director, Best Actress, and Second Best Script for her exceptional artistry. KH Shantibala bagged Second Best Costume, Hira Hidam bagged Third Best Light, and Kumantem Nganthoi Leima won Third Best Music Awards. Short play Hinghan Ningliba Thawai, produced by Margin Call Cultural Cum Drama Association, won the second best production. In the award ceremony held at Manipur Dramatic Union, Manipur State Kala Academy Deputy Secretary K. Rajumani conferred cash award and certificates to the artists. Moreover, Margin Call Cultural Cum Drama Association also applauded the artists for their exceptional performances. It may be noted that Sanatombi Sanamangang wrote the script and provided direction for Hinghan Ningliba Thawai, which won the second best production short play.